Affiliate yourself with advice for affiliate marketing. With the mobile internet market absolutely exploding, there's millions of more computer users now than there were just a year ago. This means there are hundreds of thousands of new online shoppers, all ready to be led to a product via your links. If you've always wanted to earn commissions from other people's purchases, this video will tell you how to do it. Recording videos demonstrating a product can greatly increase your amount of customers. Once you develop loyal followers of your marketing videos, you can then sell the affiliate content more assertively. If you create engaging and informative content, customers are much more likely to develop an affinity for your product. Be honest about who is in your affiliate program. If the reader suspects something amiss, they may just bypass you and go directly to that vendor's site. Doing this means that you will not get paid for a sale. You need to prevent that. Build a loyal fan base through trust and honesty. When selecting an affiliate program, be very sure to read the fine print of your contract, and especially beware any exclusivity clauses. An exclusivity clause may dictate that you can only promote that company's products on your website. This can seriously impact your earnings if you plan to use multiple programs. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. Earning fat commissions by being the literal, driving force of a product's sales is a very rewarding venture. If you can follow the advice and steps laid out in this video, you can work your way up through the ranks of affiliate marketing and eventually, become a big player in the market. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.